Hey everyone, want to make your Notion page look cleaner and more organized? Adding a vertical divider is a simple trick that instantly improves the page layout and readability. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to boost your productivity. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with more easy tech tutorials. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can add a vertical divider in Notion, and it will be a step-by-step process so your pages look professional and well structured. So to do that, just go to your Notion page where you want to add the vertical line or the vertical divider. So to do that, what I have to do, just click on this an empty space, and here just write this backslash and write for the code QU. Just click on this. You can see there is a line here. Now just hit enter with holding the shift key. You can see it is adding a vertical line. By using this code and holding the shift and enter, you can add this vertical line. Now we don't want this vertical line here, we want this here, like after this checklist example. Now just hold this and move it. Go to this horizontal line under this checklist and place this here after this end. See, we have successfully added the vertical line here. Now if you want, then you can move this, and here you can type whatever you want to write here. And that's how you can add a vertical line divider in Notion. Now your pages can look cleaner and more organized in just a few clicks. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Easy Access Tech, and check out our other tutorials on our channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.